Welcome back. The market's taken a turn for the worse. The Nifty Bank is now down 464 points, down almost 500 points, broken the 40,300 mark as well, around 40,200 for that index. And the Nifty, as a result of which, is down by 1%, very close to that 17,650 odd mark. ICICI Bank, that's the one which has fallen in one sharp swoop, currently at the low point of trade, pressuring the Nifty as well as the Nifty Bank. And HDFC Bank too is at the low point of trade. But we are talking about individual stocks, and one of them in focus is Wockhardt. After the analyst meet that took place yesterday, Ekta joins in with some of the details of that. Ekta.
Thanks for that. Well, yes, Wockhardt was in focus because of the investor meet that they held after a hiatus as well. And a couple of key takeaways has actually enthused investors to look at Wockhardt today. For example, they did indicate that there would be annual savings of around $12 million, which is via restructuring of the business. Restructuring of the business would include the shutdown of their manufacturing facility at Morton Grove. The agreement that they have with Serum for vaccine manufacturing at their UK facility, they have received £10 million as a contribution for reserving capacity. Remember that this particular agreement is for 150 million doses across 15 years. And Serum has identified 2 vaccines as of now for this agreement. The company also plans to manufacture post the regulatory approvals as well as exhibit batches. So that should probably come on stream 8 to 12 months from now. Now, in terms of the R&D portfolio that they have, the novel antibiotics, one particular antibiotic in their portfolio, which has in fact been launched in the Indian market, is MROC, and they expect approvals in 8 emerging markets in the next 6 to 9 months. Now, WCK5222 is another product which is in their R&D scope of their business, and that is a novel antibiotic as well. They expect to market the product in key geographies such as US, China, India by 2025. Now, importantly, in terms of the balance sheet, the long-term debt of the company has reduced significantly. It's come down to around 608 crores, and compare this to FY17, where the peak debt was over 3,200 odd crores. Lastly, the promoter has also indicated that they are entirely and fully committed in the business, so that has probably enthused investors further.
Okay, all right, Ekta, thanks a lot for that. Well, on that note, though, we'll have to wrap up on this edition of Chartbusters. You stay with us. Markets are trending lower. Trading Hour takes all the action forward.